Young lady with a tender fluctuating swelling of a right thumb. On examination, definitely pus can be seen and felt below the skin. This significant swelling developed as patient reluctant for drainage of this abscess. Needs instant drainage under local anesthesia. I have already drained this pus. You can see what I want to show you the extent of the pus collection in this area. You can watch the process going freely behind the skin margin. The pus collection in this area is extensive, but the finger is small, and it happened because patient was reluctant for drainage of this for 7 days, and she was thinking because of antibiotics going to subside, but it didn't. The principle is if there is pus, it has to be drained, either aspirated without